Let's learn more about investment. One more time. Investment is to buy something valuable with what you have now to make it bigger. In this definition, the investment target could be different depending on who invests. Let me take one example. What do you think the resource we use most is when we drive a car or heat the air or generate electric power?
That is oil.
Right. Oil is one of the most important resources to power many vehicles and other machinery. Here, we can say that producing oil is also investing. Oil producers drill the ground called oil wells to develop oil resources and sell them in the oil market. Here, oil wells and machinery to extract oil are the investment target. Money is what you need now to buy them. And you can earn more money in the future when you sell the oil in the market.
I got it. Finally, it means they invest the money they have in the ground and machinery to make the money bigger by selling the oil in the future.
Yes, that's it. Let's take one more example. There was one chocolate company. The chocolates were so sweet and delicious. So many people bought and ate the chocolates. Finally, they were sold out. Then, what does the company need to make more chocolates than before?
To make more chocolates, doesn't it need to build more factories?
You're right. Then, what does the company need to build a factory?
Land.
Yes, they need land. But what do they need to buy the land in the end?
Money.
Yes, right. This company needs the money to buy land and build a factory to produce more chocolates. In this case, the land and the factory are the targets to buy, and money is what they need now. And they will eventually make more money if these chocolates sell well.
In this example, the company invests money in the land and factory to make more money in the future by selling more chocolates.
Yes, you got that.
Dad, investing is really exciting. There are various investments in the world, right?
Yes, of course. There are many kinds of investment around us.
Dad, I have a question. Can we invest only money?
Wow, David, it is an excellent question. We can invest not only money but also many things. We have many valuable resources besides money. Some of them are more precious than money. Let's talk about what they are next time.
Good. Thank you, Daddy.